Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can stop Google Play Store from using your mobile data or Wi-Fi data, whatever it may be. So first of all, click on your Android phone settings. See here, Android phone settings, and here you'll see the apps option. Click on the apps option, then click on see all apps. In the search, what you can search is just search for Play Store. Okay, I'll be searching. Yeah, Play Store. This is Google Play Store, right? Tap on this, and once you tap on this, here you'll find mobile data usage. Tap on this and disable this option, background data. So right now I am enabling. So what if you disable this? So most of the time we don't use Google Play Store, right? We don't use Google Play Store, but when you disable that option in the background while you are not using that app, there will be no data usage from your mobile data or from Wi-Fi if you disable the option for Wi-Fi too. In this way you can restrict background data usage for Google Play Store. If you like this video, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.